Welcome to Crypto for Seniors, where technology meets wisdom and curiosity evolves into knowledge. Today, we delve into the increasing necessity of shifting your cryptocurrency from exchanges to hardware wallets, with a specific focus on Tangem. Picture this: your digital wealth, secure and accessible only to you. That's the power of a hardware wallet. It's like your personal bank vault, immune to online hacks and free from the volatility of exchange rates. With hardware wallets, you're in control of your digital assets. Tangem is one such wallet, compact, convenient, and cutting edge. It serves as both your safeguard and your ticket to the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Let's not forget, the first rule of crypto is never lose your keys. With Tangem, your keys are offline and secure. In the world of crypto, safety is not an option, it's a necessity. Make the smart choice. Choose a hardware wallet. Choose Tangem. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Welcome to the future, where technology meets wisdom. Welcome to Crypto for Seniors.